Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the fourth question of the paper. So they have given us x1 and they have given us an iterative formula here which converges to alpha. Now we need to use this iterative formula to 4 significant figures. Give the result of each iteration to 6 significant figures. So you might need your calci for this for sure. Okay. So now I have x1 with me. Now I need x2, x3, x4, x5. Correct? So what I'll do is first I'll take my n as 1. So this becomes x2 equals to x1 over ln 2 into x1. Agreed? So I can write this as x2 equals to, I know my x1 is 1, correct? 1 over ln 2 into 1. Agreed? So now I can solve this simply on my calci. Okay. So when I solve this on my calci, I get my answer as 1.442695. Now for x3, what we simply need to do is, instead of the 1 here, remove the 1 and click on the answer button. Even this one, remove the 1 and click on the answer button. Okay, when you do that, and then you can click simply on equal to. Okay, when you do that, you get your answer basically as 1.36147. Now for what you can do is, now you just click on equal to again to get your x4, basically as 1.35914. Now x5 in the similar way, you can click on equal to get 1.35914. Now x6 also 1.35914. So if you see from the last 3 iterations, this value has been recurring. That means how many ever times you click on equal to, you'll get the same answer. That means 1.35. I need to give the final answer to 4 significant figures. So it's 1.359, which is the final iterative value. Now, state an equation satisfied by alpha and hence determine the exact value of alpha. So what we basically need to do is, to state an equation, we need to write the same equation without the n's. Okay, so basically I need to write this as x equals to x over ln 2x. Got it? You're writing the same equation but without the n's. So this part you have already covered. Now you need the exact value of alpha. So what you need to do is, now you need to solve this equation. So here I can simply cut. I have x equals to x over ln 2x, correct? Just writing it again. So I can cut this here, correct? So I can write this as ln 2x equals to 1. Now I know a very important log property here, which states that log of b with the base a equals to 1. Equals to c, let's say. Let's not take a number. So I can write this as b equals to a raised to c. Okay, this is a log property. Now, using this log property, I know ln has a base of e. I can simply write this as 2x equals to e raised to 1. So I can say x is equal to e over 2, which is basically the final answer. I can say I can remove x because I know it converges to alpha. So I can simply write alpha. Okay.